have the hiccups because I'm growing. So now I have to figure out what I want to be when I get older, like my sissy. Good morning, students. It's the most beautiful day to learn about spelling and math and science stuff. I'm Charlotte, and I'm going to be your teacher for today. Let's get started with math firstly. On the checkers board, you'll see that I have already added 1 and 3, which is definers too. Nextly, we are simply spelling cookie. Speaking of cookies, when's lunch? Anyone? Tough crowd, I guess. Moving on to the next subject, science stuff. This right here is a leafer. You eat enough of these and you get heckin' zoomies.
I don't think being a teacher is going to work out for you, Charlotte.
Hey, why not? Besides, these are my ideas. What are you doing in here?
First of all, that's not how you spell Charlotte. You spell Charlotte C-H-A-R-L-O-T-T-E. And that's not how you spell cookie. You spell cookie K-O-O-K-I-E. See? You just have them up there wrong. Maybe you should learn how to get those things right first before you become a teacher.
Let's just see how this plays out, shall we? Time to grate these papers. They look yummy. I should eat them. No, I can't eat them. I can't eat them. I've got to grate them. That's right. Grate the papers. Grate the papers. Well, maybe Sissy's right. Maybe this isn't the right one for me. Next. Maybe his eyes can be a pepper star. Hey, is this thing even on? Sometimes when I feel sad, you make my face smile. Sometimes maybe you can be glad. Sometimes you can make me smile. Everything you say just makes me happy. Just everything you say. You know, sunny, again and beyond. You make me smile like every day. 1 to 2 times on every. You make me. Oh great, the paparazzi's here. I'm out of here. I don't think being a pupper star is for me. Maybe eyes can be an alligators when I grows up. I already has the roll-arounders down. And my favorite thing to do is bite. I definitely think this is winnering so far. I sure hope alligators eats leafers. I can't imagine her never eating a leafer again. Oh man, what if I never gets the zoomies again once I is an alligator? I need to ask sissies if I still gonna be faster like the wind. That reminds me. I need to ask sissies when these heckin' hiccups are gonna go away. Alligator roll. Alligator roll. Alligator roll. Alligator roll. Alligator roll. If this alligator ring thing doesn't work out, my definers have a chance at being the bears. All of this alligatoring is making me sleepies. See you later, alligators. Maybe I can be a food inspector. Eatering is definitely my other favorite things to do. There's not much I can say about eatering except fucking good. think this is the best idea so far. I love eating, whether it's leafers, dindin, or dirt. As long as I can chop rings on something, I like it. Except pecking bugs. I know eats. Blech. Definitely ate too heckin' much. Ice fools. Maybe there is one drawback to being the food inspectors. You have to eat all the heckin' food, and then your tummy gets full, and then you get so sleepy you can't open your eyes. Maybe I should be a writer. Let's start writing. Wait, which buttons do I push? I need help. Do you think maybe this could be one of those toucher screeners? Maybe I should try touchering it. That doesn't seem to work. Maybe I do need help. Only if Sissy were here. She would know exactly what to do. Sissy knows everything. She's the smartest doggy I knows. I know exactly what I want to be when I grows up now. I want to be just like Sissy's. She can do the sits and stays. She can do the sit-ups. She can do the place beds. She can even do the rolls overs. She's the smartest doggies in the world. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And leave a comment down below if you want to see more videos.